Hi guys, how are we doing? Phil Kent here, bringing you another Save Club presentation video, and on this video I'm going to show you how many different ways that you can actually earn with the Save Club program and the Save Club opportunity. Okay, now obviously one of the first key ways is by using the program yourself. If you don't have to get involved with the affiliate and a matrix side of the program, you can just become a member, and that's only going to cost you $19.95 a month, and then you can take advantage of the many savings. If you check out my channel, I've shown you how to find deals both in the UK and in the USA, and just by using those you're going to make some money by literally saving money, if that makes sense. And also you can tell people about the program yourself. That is when you do need to be an affiliate. So if, say for example, you know someone that goes to the movies a lot or uses a particular restaurant a lot and things like that, and you can tell them about your Save Club membership and say, look, you could be saving up to 20% here or 15% here, or $10 here. People are going to be interested in that because everybody wants to save money where they can. So if you tell somebody about going to the movies or whatever, or the restaurants, and they go out then and do that, and they've joined your Save Club through you, as soon as they make a purchase, you're going to get paid in the back office. Okay, so you're going to make that commission all the time. So that's the sort of the ball part of of all the coupons, the deals, the savings that you can make money in that way as well. Then of course they've got the main 5 ways, as they call it, to get paid with Save Club. Okay, now the first one, they've got general. This is all to do with the compensation plan and things like that. Okay, so you've got the generational coded fast start commissions. So every person you refer becomes a Save Club member and an affiliate for the total of $79.97. You're going to earn a $20 commission paid out the very next week as a fast start, which is why a lot of people come in and manage to recruit a lot of people in a very fast amount of time. They're going to get a very fast income indeed. So I mean, if you on the leaderboard, for example, there's people already that have hit sort of nearly 150, 200 members. You can do the math yourself. $150 or $200, 200 people, multiply that by $20, and it's a very good fast start commission, and that's for every single person that you personally enroll. Okay, and plus as you advance in rank, you're going to get paid even more on anyone personally you enroll, plus earn coded generational fast start overrides as your team duplicates, so you can earn up to 40% on your personally enrolled members and up to 15%, $12 even, on everyone in your entire team on their initial order. And this is the reason these matrix plans and these power line systems are so successful. There's been several companies already. Obviously, one of the big ones recently was Live Good. You've got Backup, you've got iCoin Pro, just to name 3 off the top of my head, that have used this identical power line system with a 2x16 force matrix. It's very powerful and it can fill very, very fast. And you don't have to be even a big recruiter or leader yourself. If you're recruiting all the time, if you're putting out content, you're generating leads and generating people to join under you, you only need sort of 2, 3, 4 maybe at the most big recruiters to come along. And sometimes they can fall in a different country. They might land in, say, Hong Kong or Japan or wherever, for example, and these people are just going to explode your entire business, and because they're under you in your organization, automatically your income is going to duplicate over and over. And this is why these systems are so popular, because you never know what's going to happen. As long as you just keep staying consistent, staying with the program, keep doing what you're doing, and the results will come. So you've got the generational coded fast start commissions. It goes into more detail here. This is all from the back office. I've got this. It's just basically from one of the websites that you can promote. Allows you to learn unlimited levels deep as new members and affiliates join your team. Fast start commissions, generational overrides examples. Then you've got the matrix commissions. I'm not going to go into that in full detail, but this basically gives you the rankings. The unranked is basically where you haven't brought anybody in, so it's showing you the potential. Obviously, you can earn up to $4,095 a month as a person doesn't bring anybody in. The odds of actually doing that are obviously quite low, because that's based on sort of an entire filling up matrix with nobody leaving, nobody dropping out. So it's unlikely, but it just shows you the high potential of not actually bringing anybody in. Okay, and then you've got the 1 star there, which is basically two personally enrolled members, and that shows you up to $8,191 a month and so forth, and it just climbs up the ladder. So as you can see, this is not a sort of get rich quick overnight, but if you can get these matrix start to fill, and once they start to fill and they start to multiply quite quickly down the sort of ranks, and then the incomes can start coming in. And this is why so many people have earned so well, and not just the sort of big leaders and big recruiters. Many people have done well with these programs purely because of the power line and the matrix system. Okay, you don't have to be a massive hitter yourself. All right. Then you got number 3. You got generational matching bonuses. Again, there's a chart here explaining it all. When you get on board, you'll be able to see all this. So you can get involved just for $19.95 if that's what you want to do. Or if you want to get involved in all the matrix and compensation plan, then you do need to pay the affiliate fee. So just to get started, it's only going to cost you, just shy of $80, and then you only get $20 a month. It's so affordable, and that's another big attraction of these similar programs. They're all low price points. Okay, you've got yearly VIP membership bonuses. You can take a yearly join as a VIP yearly. When you join, that's entirely up to yourself. And then you've got monthly leadership bonus pools. So that's just a quick one. I'm not going to go into full details of all of them. There's just multiple ways to earn. You can just, like I said, get on board as a member, which is great. Some people like to do that. Just take the membership, and then you can just use it yourself purely to save money and find deals and save money on things that you're doing all the time, every day at the moment, so you're not changing anything. Or you can get involved with the affiliate side, and I think it's highly worth it because it's a low affiliate fee, really. You've only got $20 a month after that, so it's low cost. You can tell people about it, and there's so many ways to do it. And if you're saving money, and everybody wants to save money, people like these cashback sites and coupons and things like that. So if they can go out for a meal and they can save $5-10 on it, everybody's up for that. So if you can start doing that yourself and then telling somebody else, say, hey, look, I've got this, I've been saving money using Save Club, they're going to be interested. How long is it going to take you to cover, that $20 monthly fee? It's not. You can get some big savings. You could save a lot more than that. So just a quick video going over the multiple ways that you can earn with the program. There's so much to it. Get involved, guys. I've been putting some funnels together myself. I'm going to be using 2 separate funnels because you do need to be trying to stand out from the crowd, because if the company won't allow you anyway to send mass traffic to their pre-built sort of enrollment pages, so you can get your account suspended or terminated for doing that. So best to avoid that, and the easiest way is just to develop your own capture pages or use one of the reputable systems that are online and that can even do some pre-built pages for you. So I hope that makes sense. Please drop a like on the video if it's helped you in any way whatsoever. Drop a subscription for me, that would be great. It really does help me out. The links to join are below the video. Drop any comments or questions below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Have a good day and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers now.